guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made these 3 quick and easy wreaths for the holiday. Would you like to know? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these quick and easy wreaths. Long story short, I know I have done a few videos so far from the Rusted Orange Craftworks. They had got a hold of me originally and they sent me one set of my garden markers. So if you follow my garden saga, you would see those garden markers that I did. And then I even went and bought more. I bought everything for everything in my garden. And then I even went and bought a sign to put out my garden. I just really love the things that they have. They have all different types of custom items, things that are not custom, things you can custom, and it's all like metal, everything, like stuff for your wall. You can have address markers if someone's getting married or an anniversary. There's things you can like customize with their names or their dates, babies, anniversaries. Like I said, there's so many different occasions, holidays, that you can find a whole bunch of cool stuff on their site. So one point when I was doing a video for you guys, when I was screen recording their website, I saw that they had a mystery box. And I was like, whoa, stop. I went and I think bought 2 different ones. And then I showed you guys that and they sold out of those really, really quick. Well, the other day I was sitting around looking and I needed a few more garden markers. So I did place an order, which is coming. So you'll see this soon. I placed an order for a few more garden markers and I bought 2 more mystery bundles. This one, there's a little smaller scaled. I think there's only like 2 to 3 items per mystery bundle, but it was only like $8. So I couldn't pass it up. So I grabbed 2 of those. So that will be coming. I will show you. But when I got my last mystery boxes, that's where I had a whole bunch of stuff and I had 3 different holiday, like Christmas themed wreaths. And I was like, ooh, I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I'm definitely going to do something. And if you guys want to see what I do with them, let me know. And you guys said, yes, I want to see what you're doing with them. So that is this video right here. So basically I took 3 of those wreaths that I got from the mystery box from the Rusted Orange Craftworks, which you can purchase any of those individually anytime from their site if you would like. I will link them all down below if you want to go take a look at their site. See if there's some mystery boxes if you want, but I will show you what's coming in mine here soon. So anyway, I got those and then I went to Michael's, grabbed some few things. So in this video, I'm going to basically show you exactly how I created them. Simple and easy. Like these are the easiest wreaths I've ever made, like the easiest wreaths I've ever made in my entire life. But they are just so gorgeous because they're just simple. They don't have like ornaments all over. It's not full of a bunch of stuff. It's just simple, sweet, and it just looks beautiful. So if you want to see how I put them together, then here you go. Someone's enjoying her nap. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a wreath for his sister because she has the M initial. And then his other sister, I'm going to make her a wreath with the one that says Noel. I did have one of these that says Merry Christmas, so I'm going to make a 3rd one. So I ran to Michael's today because I noticed they had these on sale. This is a 22-inch. Where did the tag go? It is the Ashland 22-inch wreath. It is normally $19.99 and I got it for $6 plus tax. Couldn't beat the deal. So $6, I got 3 different ones. I just wanted to look nice and simple. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fluff it out. I'm going to attach one of these to the middle. I did buy this big thing of ribbon right here. So I'm going to make a bow for each one, all with the same ribbon. This was, I think, $20. Yes, $19.99, which was 40% off as well. So that will be a bow for all 3. And then I grabbed these little stakes. I got 6 for each one. I just thought that was really pretty with the clear, the red, and the burgundy. These were $1.99 with 40% off as well. So just a few of them, a bow, and then attaching that, and that's it. Simple and sweet. Somebody decided to wake up. So this is the one that says Merry Christmas. I'm actually going to make this one and give to his mom. So when we go to Thanksgiving tomorrow to meet the family, his mom and both of his sisters will have a wreath that they can put on their door for the holiday coming up. I'm so excited. So now let's go ahead and get to work. I'm going to go ahead and just go around the entire wreath, fluffing everything just to make it look nice and full. Definitely better than how it comes looking all nice and smashed from the store. So let's get to fluffing. So now that I have it all nice and fluffed, I'm going to start adding in the little picks. Again, I purchased 6 of them per wreath. So I'm going around and fluffing them out and just setting them where I want them to be first so I can get the placement. And since these are wired picks, I felt like just wrapping the wire around the metal part of the wreath would make it a lot more secure than actually using like a hot glue, which can come off after time. So all I did was just basically wrap the wire around the wreath just to get them in, and they won't go anywhere. And now that all 6 are in, I will go ahead and add the Merry Christmas sign. With this one, I use some of the actual grains from the wreath and then some of the metal parts from the picks that I added just to wrap it around the metal to keep it nice and secure. And then using that red wired ribbon, I'm going to make a simple bow, the same size for all 3 of them. And the wired ribbon actually does help keep the shape of the bow. So I love only using wired ribbon. And then I'm going to attach the bow with the wire that I used to make the bow. And then the streamers for the bow, I just kind of tucked in and make a few fluffing adjustments, and it is done. I think this is super, super cute, nice and simple. I love just the little bit of picks that are inside with the little bit of pine cones that are on the wreath. Simple and sweet. Voila. What do you think? All right, 1 down, 2 more to go, and it's the same exact process. I'm going to start with fluffing it first, add in those 6 little decorative picks, and then add in the saying for the metal sign for the middle, and then the bow. Simple and sweet. Again, same concept, same exact process. There we have it. Second one is done and complete. What do you think? All right, so let's get working on the last and final wreath, number 3. This one will be the exact same process as the other 2, and this one will have the M monogram initial in the middle. And here it is, all complete. The last and final one done. What do you think? And out of this entire roll, that is all that I use, so I have plenty more for other projects. Oh, my little sleeping beauty. All right, so here are all 3 of them together in a row so you can see them all together. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the process? What do you think of the wreaths that I made? Let me know what was your favorite. Do you now want to make them? They are simple and sweet. Like, this is the easiest ones that I've ever made, but I think these are absolutely beautiful. Just because they are simple, they're not too much, it's not too little. I think they are just right. Let me know what you think. Okay, you guys. So again, that is how I made all 3 quick and easy of those wreaths to take to Thanksgiving, and I gave to them. It was a huge hit. They absolutely loved them. The house that we were at with his one sister, she put hers up instantly on her door. And that was the one with the M. They all absolutely loved them. So I was just so thrilled because they really, really loved them. So that was a hit. But it was just such a simple project. And I wanted you guys to see, because sometimes I get like complex. I get down on my wreaths. I did a huge wreath one time and showed you guys. So I've done a lot of different like complicated more wreaths, and this was just super easy. So if you do get anything from them or you do try to recreate these, let me know what you thought about them. But yes, I just wanted to show you quick and easy how I made them. So there you go. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about them. Which one would be your favorite? Do you want to make one? Do you think you could definitely do this? Because sometimes you guys are like, I can't do that. This one I think everybody can. It's so simple. So now that is everything. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew,